Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Stop and Go Driving School channel. Today we're breaking down one of the most important safety skills for a new driver: how to safely make a lane change. So to keep things simple, we use our school acronym MASH: mirrors and signal, head check. So let's walk through, or should I say drive through each step. First up, mirrors. Before you even think about changing lanes, check your rearview mirror and the side mirror on the side you want to move into. You're looking to see if the lane is clear, how fast traffic is approaching, and whether it is safe to continue. Next, and signal. Turn on your signal early, not halfway through the lane change. Signaling communicates your intentions to other drivers and gives them time to adjust. This is one of the most important parts of defensive driving. Finally, head check. This is the step many new drivers skip. After checking your mirrors and signaling, turn your head and quickly check your blind spot. Mirrors don't show everything. A head check confirms that the lane is truly clear. Once you've completed all the steps, mirrors and signal, head check, you can gently steer into the lane, keep it smooth, controlled, and avoid overcorrecting. And that's how you mash your way into a safe lane change. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural these steps will feel. If you want expert guidance or behind the wheel training, Stop and Go Driving School here in Phoenix is always ready to help you build confidence and drive safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Safe travels on whatever road life takes you.